Dear student, as I am teaching you the different type of list with the particular multiples, those are multiples using the multiples. Okay, that also I have shown to you. Now, after the multiples, this is the multiples program I have shown to you. Now, this is a program that I am going to show you, that is linear search. What is a linear search? That means here is a number has been given. Now you have to enter the value. By entering the value, you have to find out that which value you need to search. Okay, which value you need to search. So the value that you need to search, linear search, this is the number. Okay, so this particular linear search particular number, what you have to do, that we are doing the particular program using a condition. Linear search means the list here is 10 to 90. I have taken the list, and after taking the list, what happened? Uh, it has asked, that means I have given to ask the user to insert some values. The user will insert the value from the list what is there. So after that, f equals to false, p equals to 0, y p len list 1 and not f. So if list 1 p equals to num, f equals to true, p equals to p plus 1, if if it is f, then print num is found at position number this, and here print num is not present. Okay, so this is the thing what it will going to do. Okay, now enter the value. Here you have seen the value. Suppose I have given here 40. So 40 is found in position number 4. Okay, now again I run the program. Let us run the program again. Let us run the program again. Suppose search the value. Suppose now I give 45. 45 is not present. Now how it will know? It will know by the condition that you will going to give, the loop that you will going to run. So what the loop I have used here? See here, I have used here if loop, while loop. This is a while loop. This is the if loop. Again another if loop. That means inside of while, one if loop I have run, and outside of that I have run another particular loop. So this the loop what I have run here. Running that loop, what we find it, that this particular condition is to be satisfied. What is my condition? My condition is to search. Okay, my condition is to search. How it will search? It will a linear search. Linear means as the way the computer want. Linear means the from the first position it will start searching. It will make it half. After it will make the total series half. First one half it will search, and the another half it will search. Okay, so this is the comparison, that the pattern of comparison it can do. So when it will do this pattern of comparison, what we find it, that the value is needed to be searched. So what I said here, p less than len list. Len of what? Len means length. Okay, length function I have called here. So length of what? Length of list 1. What is the list? Those the values what is there in the list. Now if f equals to, first I have make the f false, then when I entered and when it find it, then I have making f is true. So if it is so, that means p will going to increase. Okay, so as p is increasing, that means now p became p plus 1. P is 0, so 0 plus 1 means 1. So this is way, this the way it will going to find out the position one by one. It will going to start, p will going to increase, and similarly at the value of p is printing here and num value is printing here. And what is the num value? Num is the value that I have asked the user to enter. Okay, I have asked the user to enter. So as soon as I have asked the user to enter that particular value, the user will going to enter. Okay, any value, whatever the minds user comes, but user must know this range. That also you can print out this one before you do it, that those the values are there. But without printing also you can do it, that just a guessing user can do. So any pattern of way you can search it. Major thing is that here I have used a while loop, and another thing, and not options also. Okay, with